Pat here from West Corners Custom Cycles. Welcome back to the Underground Garage. I want to thank everybody, as always, for tuning into the channel. We want to thank everybody for the subscriptions, the likes, thumbs up, all the comments that you people leave. We appreciate it. It gives us an idea how we're doing with the channel. When I say us, I mean myself and my wife. I do all the work here. I do the videos and I do the work on the motorcycles. She takes all the videos, does all the editing on them, makes all the thumbnails, adds all the sound effects. So that's her job in this, and we both want to say thank you. We really appreciate it. Okay, this week's video is the fourth installment. It's a video on the 1975 Sportster custom build we're doing. I want to take you through this week. I've got a lot more stuff back on it, show you where I'm at, do a walk around on it, give you an idea where I'm going. I think there's a couple more videos before I get to the final painted walk around reveal. But if you haven't checked out any of the previous videos on this build, go to the channel. I made a playlist, hit the playlist, take you through all the videos right in order from the beginning right up to present. All right. Before we get to the video, again, I want to invite everybody to like, subscribe, ring the bell, join the Underground Army, become a member, and check out all the videos we got out there. Okay, let's get to the video. Peace. Okay, everybody. Pat here from West Corners Custom Cycles again. Wanted to get back with everybody on the 75 Sportster build I was working on. Had to take some time off over the summer, get some things done. But here it is, November, just flurrying out today. Time to get back in the garage and build. All right, let's show you where I'm at, what I've done. Okay, here's that Sporty. That's the tank we're going to use on it. I haven't got the pipes back on it yet, and got a new chain guard here. It's going back on it. There's the pipes on the floor. Got to get them cut down, customized a little bit, and put back on. Got the seat finally mounted up where it was going. This is the fender. Finally got that cut down and on there. Got the fender struts where I want them. I've already attached it to the front of the swing arm up here. I don't know how good of a shot we can get of it. Let me get a light. You can see down here the bracket hooks right to the front of the swing arm, to the front of the fender. It's going to be a floating fender. Struts are hooked to the swing arm. The fender's going to ride up and down with the swing arm. It's not going to be attached to the frame anymore. Put on this tail light, license plate holder. Haven't got anything wired up yet. Was in here yesterday for a couple hours, cleaned up all this wiring they had going on down there. What a rat's nest. But these two red wires are going to go for the turn signals that are going to mount under the seat here. And got to get all the wiring done on the 4 turn signals today. And that tail light. Got the front turn signals mounted up. Here's the, these are the old ones. You got to clip these wires, wire them up to these new ones here. So we'll get all that done today. Put this mirror on there. I really like this seat a lot. But, so that's where we're at. Plan on getting all this done today. To finish up this fender, I got to get spacers in between here. Get the bolts through here on both sides. Then I can get that fender dismounted, ship it off for paint while I'm getting the rest of this stuff tidied up. Still got to hook up the linkage here on the shifter pedal to the shift linkage. And over on this side, I got to clean up the rear brake cable, make it look a little prettier. But that's where we're at, people. Gonna go gloss black. I'm thinking a little red and white hot rod pinstriping on it. I got a metal plate here. Right here, it's going to cover up the wiring down in there so you won't see any of that. This is going to go gloss black. Probably put some pinstriping on that too. So, there you are, people. I'll step back, see if I can't get a better look at this thing for you. All the other bikes getting in the way. the other thing, shocks on it. I'm going to use these shocks, the original ones that were on it, or the ones that are all covered in chrome. I'm deciding whether I'm going with them or the spring ones. The spring ones are 2 inches shorter, but I still got to figure that out. But so that's where we're at. All right, everybody. As always, peace out. Keep the shiny side up and live life behind bars. We'll get back to you tomorrow or the next day after I get some of this stuff done, and we'll do another walk around on it. All right, have a good day.